Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Sir, agriculture is an important subject because 75% of the population of this country is rural and dependent on agriculture. I shall briefly touch upon the achievements in the agricultural sector in the past 64 years. This can be gauged from the fact that both India and China have the same area of cultivable land, which comes about 14 crore hectares. I would like to draw the attention of the Honorable Minister towards the fact that China is producing 45 crore tons of food grains, while India's production has been between 18 and 19 crore tons in the last 3 to 4 years. This means there are certain reasons as a result of which our production is low. Sir, I would like to inform the House that agriculture contributes 33%, industries 29%, and other services 38% to the national income. The contribution of agriculture can be easily raised to 50% in the national income. The main reasons for low national income are the wrong policies and their faulty implementation by the government. To increase the national income, we must raise the contribution of agriculture to 50%. Sir, I would like the Agriculture Ministry to note that irrigation and fertilizers play a key role in increasing agricultural production. Sir, so far as irrigation projects are concerned, out of all the projects planned in the post-independence period, about 200 big and medium projects were undertaken. At the end of these 64 years, only 65 projects have been completed and 2300 big dams have been constructed and 1800 dams are yet to be constructed. But even in this age of science and technology, 70% of the water of these dams gets evaporated. Sir, fortunately, our country has been blessed with great natural wealth. Underground water is also available in abundance and can be utilized best to encourage irrigation through wells in North India. The maximum credit of the achievement made in this regard so far goes to the farmers. Electricity is the basic necessity to meet irrigation requirement. I need not say much about the state of electricity throughout the country, particularly in Uttar Pradesh, which is the most backward state in the country. Therefore, my submission is that unless we increase the power generation, we cannot solve the problems baffling us, full stop.